Alright, there we go. We're out, we gotta run. Oh, let's see what this thing will do. Okay. There's various stuff shimmying and shaking on it. So this it's 304 low. There's 4 low. There we go. A little bit of off-road never hurt anything. Unfortunately, this one has done a lot of off-roading. Here's what we were using last year for a plow truck, an old Explorer. Here's the back of my garage. As we made from scrap. Trailers we've made, bikes we've made. The Dodge just gets on my nerves. You know, it's all good. Especially when you're sitting on the board of a Ford. Carol just keeps attacking me. Not a spot to die. Maybe I should have checked to see if I had a good battery before I done this. Well, looks like we gotta go and get a battery. Oh well. I gotta go and get a battery. Alright guys, like I said, there was a bird's eye view of what we just come up over. So, I gotta go and get a battery. I'm not impressed. I'll run down there this weed. I haven't seen any better here now, but this is what she's called. I've had her for a long time. I think it's 12 years I had her. That's the only reason I'm getting rid of her yet. Stuff that I got even around. What am I going to do with that? Four-wheel drive for a Chev. What could we do with that? Anyway, I had to get a battery for that. I'm not impressed. Oh well, I'm going to lug a battery up to her. It's what we were using last year for a plow rig. There's one body mount holding on that. Everything else is rusted to pieces. But it got 124,000 kilometers on it. It runs perfect. Too bad it's rusty.